Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Not really our channel.
My channel,
but since we're both filming, we say our channel. We should make a channel on someone's phone, and it should be like a channel together.
Yeah.
And whenever we're together, we can film on it.
Yeah. Okay, so she's gonna be doing my makeup. I'm gonna be doing hers.
Starting off with the Bubble Plus One Tinted Mineral Sunscreen.
And the Lumic Lotion Natural Glow in something.
Okay.
Next is concealer.
Next is NYN Blush.
Next, highlighter. Okay, last thing is this.
We had to stop filming because I'm going to keep texting her. And her phone just got annoying.
Okay, there.
Bye-bye.
Let's see you. Bye.